In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best sous vide machines. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So, here are the top 5 best sous vide machines. Number 5. Inkbird ISV 300 watts. If you're new to sous vide or just want great value without skimping on features, the Inkbird ISV 300 watts is an excellent choice. This budget-friendly circulator delivers consistent and delicious results with the convenience of Wi-Fi control via the Inkbird Pro app. Whether you're meal prepping or cooking steak after work, this sous vide cooker lets you start and monitor everything from your phone. It's waterproof, rust-resistant, and includes safety alarms for low water or temperature issues, perfect for peace of mind when multitasking. With 1,000 watts of power and a 3D heating system, the ISV 300W ensures even temperature distribution for juicy, tender meats and veggies, temperature precision of plus or minus 0.1 degrees Celsius, and a wide cooking range help you nail everything from ribs to creme brulee. It even comes with 14 preset USDA-approved recipes and a long timer, making it easier to cook restaurant-quality meals right at home. If you're looking for an affordable entry into the sous vide world with surprisingly high performance, this one's a winner. Number 4. Anova Precision Cooker Nano 2.0. Small in size but mighty in power, the Anova Precision Cooker Nano 2.0 proves that good things come in compact packages. Designed for tight kitchens, it easily stores in a drawer, but delivers the same consistent, edge-to-edge cooking that Anova is known for. With plus or minus 0.1 degrees Celsius accuracy and powerful water circulation, it ensures everything from steak to salmon is perfectly done and packed with flavor. It's super easy to clamp onto any pot, and its durable plastic build means quick cleanup and long-lasting use. One of the best parts? You can control it from the Anova app or directly on the device. Plus, for a small subscription fee, you can unlock a treasure trove of cooking guides and recipes created by professionals and enthusiasts alike. Whether you're new to sous vide or just want a hassle-free way to level up weeknight meals, the Nano 2.0 is an affordable, reliable, and compact choice that punches well above its weight. Number 3. Kitchen Boss G320. The Kitchen Boss G320 isn't just a powerful immersion circulator. It's a sleek, chef-worthy machine designed with aesthetics and engineering in mind. Its award-winning design includes an ultra-clear TFT screen with 20 built-in recipes, so you can start cooking gourmet meals right out of the box without guesswork. From lobster to lamb chops, each built-in program delivers consistent results while retaining nutrients and flavor. With a powerful 1,100-watt brushless DC motor and 20 liters per minute water circulation, this cooker ensures uniform heating, even when packed with ingredients. Built to last and easy to clean, it features IPX7 waterproofing, stainless steel components, and a durable propeller system. Unlike others in its class, the G320 can be fully submerged for deep cleaning, which is perfect for those who cook often. If you want performance, elegance, and foolproof cooking all in one machine, the Kitchen Boss G320 delivers in both form and function. Number 2. Breville Joule Turbo. If you're all about speed, smart tech, and automation, the Breville Joule Turbo is a game-changer. Its turbo mode leverages powerful algorithms and cloud computing to cook proteins in half the time, without compromising precision. Whether it's chicken, steak, or fish, just select your preferred doneness level and let the Joule app do the rest. The visual doneness feature even shows you exactly how your food will turn out before you start. It's as close to foolproof as it gets, making it ideal for busy home chefs who still crave quality meals. Breville's primetime window means your food stays perfectly cooked until you're ready to eat, giving you unmatched flexibility during busy evenings. With guided recipes and preset times tested by Breville's own chefs, you'll feel like a pro even on your first try. It's compact, sleek, and incredibly smart, elevating sous vide cooking to the next level with ease and elegance. Number 1. Anova Precision Cooker 3.0. Topping the list is the Anova Precision Cooker 3.0, the ultimate sous vide machine for serious home chefs. This third-gen flagship model features improved dual-band Wi-Fi, a 2-line touchscreen display, and ultra-precise temperature control, all wrapped in a thoughtfully refined design. With 1100 watts of power, it heats water fast and holds temp like a champ, ensuring perfectly tender, edge-to-edge results every time. From steak and chicken to eggs and vegetables, your meals will come out consistently delicious batch after batch. What makes it stand out is the seamless integration with the Innova app, allowing you to control everything from your phone while accessing hundreds of pro-level recipes. For just a few dollars more, you can unlock premium cooking guides, your saved recipe history, and shared community creations. With easy cleaning, a universal clamp, and unmatched precision, the Innova 3.0 is more than just a kitchen tool. It's your ticket to restaurant-level cooking without leaving home. And that wraps up our countdown of the best sous vide machines out there. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comment section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.